They have their new bunk beds. Lindsay, sing your song.
No, that's tissue.
That you. Whoa!
Get back here. Get back here. I'm singing.
How about you, Melissa?
Lindsay.
Melissa?
I like it. I think it's funny. Hey, get down.
Didn't we just say you're not allowed to do that? Melissa, what song can you sing for us? Get up there.
Never pull.
Go ahead. What's Never Pull?
Nothing.
Sing a song. Make one up.
Better hurry up.
Let's go to more.
Alright, so your mother asked me to memorialize this. Turn around, she wants to see what you look like. Say hi to your dad.
Shalom, Boker Tov.
Alright, hold on. I just got to get the date here. I think that's the right date.
Okay, it's 8:30 in the morning. I finally have stepped into American soil,
Yeah, alright.
American concrete.
Alright, we'll tell them we'll tape some stories later. Alright.
Some stories for you later.
Alright.
להתראות.
Chow mein. Hold on.
Say hi, Duku. Say hi.
Adam's here. Did everybody give Adam? Did everybody give Adam a kiss? Hello.
Oh, I missed you. Melissa's gonna be a little late to school today because she had to wait for you. Right?
Yeah.
Hi guys. Where did Adam just come from? He just came back from Israel. Today's his first day.
First day on the water.
Catch any fish yet, Melissa?
Not yet.
Hi, Daddy.
Hasn't been a good day fishing yet. Hi, baby. Oh, just bait. All right, let's throw it out again. Ready? Okay, Mom. Catch a big one. Right, I'm gonna let it hit the bottom. All right.
How you doing, Adam? Any luck? Any luck so far, Adam?
Nada.
Nada.
Get filter fish. Huh? Out of fish, you're gonna get filter fish. Sit down. Sit down, relax. Okay.
Well, look, how's that little one that it must be? Oh,
Lindsay, what are you doing?
I'm just
What are you doing?
where's that on the boat?
Picking the toilet paper up? Where are we going anyhow?
I don't know.
Well, sing the song where we're driving to. Key Largo?
No.
Come on. Bermuda?
No.
No? How do you like school, Lindsay?
Good.
Yeah, what's your teacher's names?
Melissa, pull yours in a little bit.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Miss Debbie. And Miss Carla. And Miss Chris.
All right.
Where do we go today? An anchor line and a crab? Oh, right. What's that? No. Fellow?
Where's Melissa? Hey, Melissa. What are you doing? Where's Schmins? Schmins, you coming up? There you are. Hi, baby.
You want to sing a song together? How's it, Twinkle Twinkle?
Hey, Melissa. I just want everyone to see you driving. Like a big girl, huh?
And how about this one sleeping?
Barely.
You're sleeping. And how about
And Iris, this is yours after a tough day on the water.
oh, the baby's
Oh,
sleeping.
wait, oh, excuse me, didn't mean to wake you. Just want your mother to see you.
The camera. Say
woke
hi,
up?
Iris.
Are we having fun? You like having your cousin here? What's his name? Adam, where is he? He's sleeping? Let's see. He's still sleeping. Alright, good night, Adam. Hello.
Put on a siren. Yeah.
Adam's helping Daddy. Leave him alone until he's finished.
Lindsay, what do you have?
A frog.
A frog. Wait, I can't get him. There we go.
And he's not inside.
He's not inside? No, he doesn't belong inside the house.
Don't belong inside the house.
No.
And he's friendly.
He's friendly. What are you doing to him? You petting him?
He's so squeezy.
He's squeezy. Well, don't squish him too hard. What's going to happen if you squish him too hard?
Gonna cry.
Well, more than that, you might kill him. So you have to be really careful. Don't kiss him!
I'm just,
Do not kiss the frog.
I'm just asking you.
Well, keep your face away from his. He can hear you from there. Here we are, picking apples. Taste them. How's it taste?
Good. Let me rub it off.
What's so funny? You think it's funny Daddy throws them at Mommy? Lindsay, you having fun?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Doing apple picking. Picking apple. I like the apples.
Yeah, Adam.
Can I have this apple? It tastes so good.
Yeah, you can have it. It's a good apple?
We can reach him.
Yes. And here.
Somebody can't stand in one spot.
Wait, say that again?
I'm apple picking right here too.
You're proud? You mean you like it? Melissa, are you glad you're doing it? Too bad you can't reach any apples though.
I like stepping on them.
Good apples?
What I do.
Did you get one? This is not a great tree, huh?
I'm get some.
Lindsay wants to get one too. Can you put Lindsay on your shoulder?
Yeah, grab it from me. Grab it out. Grab it. Look, here it is. You get it now? Yeah, get it.
She got it?
You got it? No. Oh. Yeah, grab it, grab it, grab it.
I got quite a
And I got you.
Good trick. That's a good trick.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, babe.
I'm trying to climb.
I just got it.
That was a good one.
I think that's a bad one. Toss it. Throw it. Or do what Adam does. Smush him.
Adam, smush it.
Don't
Where?
you want to show everyone how Adam smushes them?
Yuck!
Come on out.
Where are you?
Our daddy. Say hi. I'm holding down the branches for her.
What do you got?
Is this a good one?
Beautiful.
Can we keep it?
Sure.
See this. Oh,
One bite?
Make you put the whole thing in his mouth?
Let's see, Adam. Put you on the spit.
And touching it.
You pig! You're a big pig!
Yeah, but you thought it was funny though.
I got one.
Step on the bag.
You doing the number limbo?
Hey, you think for one bite?
Uh-oh, it got low. Lindsay's doing the number limbo.
It's big. My mouth ain't that big.
Do I smell donuts? No, I don't. You learned any new songs at school?
No, yeah,
Can you sing one for me?
no, my friend, let's pick one.
You won't steal my poor heart again. You won't steal my poor heart again. You won't steal my tape recorder. I call the Lord and put you in the pen. You won't steal that thing again.